Looking for a snowplow motor that delivers reliable power without breaking the bank? This 12-volt, 1.7 kilowatts snowplow motor is designed specifically to replace worn-out or failing units on all Meyer snowplow models. It's built to meet OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation every time you hit the snow-covered roads or driveways. I recently upgraded my Meyer E60 with this motor and was impressed by how straightforward the installation was. It arrived looking brand new and included all the necessary hardware, so I didn't have to scramble for extra parts. The motor's clockwise rotation and solid build gave my plow the consistent power it needed to clear heavy snow with ease. Plus, the price was less than half of what local shops were charging, even after shipping costs. The only thing missing was Meyer's signature yellow paint, but that's a minor detail compared to the performance and value I got. What really sets this motor apart is the confidence behind it. A full 1-year warranty covers you from the moment you order. If anything goes wrong, they'll replace it quickly, no hassle. That kind of support makes a big difference when you rely on your plow to get through tough winter conditions. If you want a durable, affordable, and hassle-free snowplow motor replacement for your Meyer, this is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and get back to clearing snow with confidence.